Check. Last installment like the last testament. Think he ain't got what it takes. Understand I'm life tested, man. I guess niggas won't be happy until I'm in the freshest Benz. Well, you a customer, you gotta buy so I can spend. I'm honest and diamonds gleam. Still got problems with my self-esteem. But if you ever stand around me, know you in the presence of a king. Before the misconstrued rumors, matter of fact, before anything. Before Johnny, before the internet. Still a corner boy, no need to interject. Niggas try to cap me on the boy, but I know they got regrets. Last year it was the bus, next year we on the jet. I swear life is a movie, I'm always on set. Life never perfect, I got things to perfect. But I'ma take the shit, everybody place your bets. It's nothing but hit records, from the burbs to the jets. Niggas wanna battle, we could lock in with some wreck. I flame you all, with all due respect. I'm a motherfucking rapper, I'm supposed to say I'm the fucking best. My nigga, I been knew I was the greatest before I put the GOAT on my chest. And for you haters, only mission is the paper. If life's a bitch, I swear nigga, I'm gonna take her. And I got some shit coming like we shook out. You niggas catch the fader. Yeah. Last installment. Straight like that. Yeah. 16 for the 31 series, baby. Ah, we did it. Last one, number 31. Holla at me. You know we working. You know your boy got it. I wrote it. Niggas try to take credit. Dead it. Nigga, it's over. Forget it. Know what I mean? Tell them I said it. Know what I mean? Bang.